Okay, let's take a start. IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions. Do you use a wallet?
Yes, I daily use a wallet because I use wallet to keep my credit cards and important documents like receipts and ID card. I am not afraid of rain because wallet save all my important documents.
Okay, wallet saves all my important documents. Have you ever lost a wallet?
Yes, I remember that in my life that I lost my wallet.
Once I lost my wallet.
I lost my wallet when I was taking a tea at nearest cafe to my school, and when I took out my wallet to pay the waiter. Then I lost the wallet on the table.
No, when you took out the wallet, how you lost it?
I took out the wallet and paid to the waiter, and then my friends and I went to the college.
Alright.
When we went in the college office, then I had to pay for my college fees, and then I found that my wallet was
missing. Okay, that's good. Very nice, right? फिर मिल गया था कि नहीं? फिर गुमा ही नहीं था. Alright, that's good. Yeah, IELTS के लिए कितने जतन करने पड़ते हैं. So, have you ever sent a wallet to someone as a gift?
Yes. It was my first salary when I sent my wallet when I sent a wallet as a gift to my father's birthday. It was 48th birthday of my father, and he was very happy to see that I have sent a gift for him, and it was my first salary, and he appreciates me.
He appreciated me.
He appreciated me that keep it up.
All right. Have you ever received a wallet as a gift from your neighborhood?
One of my neighbor friend, his name is Aslam, and he sent
Aslam or Aslama? Aslam, okay.
And he sent me a wallet as a gift on my birthday, and I was very happy to see
Alright,
it.
so you received wallet as a gift from your neighbors as well. Do most of your friends use a wallet?
Yes, all of my friends keep the wallet because it enhances a positive plus point of everyone's personality, and it is a very good file or folder that everyone should keep it in his pocket.
Okay, this is much better than before. Okay, yes. Keep it up like this. Good. Now let's go on. Please turn the mic. I'm going to ask you some questions about primary school. So my first question is, what did you like to do the most when you were in a primary school?
I like to do many activities when I was in primary school. Well, the activities that I was interested in was physical activities, and it mostly comprised of cricket.
Okay, so you could just elaborate a little. Most of the time I used to play cricket in my primary school. I was the captain of our school cricket team, something like that. Okay, how did you go to your primary school?
Well, I usually go to the primary school with my
father.
I used to go to the primary school with my father, along with my father on his car.
This is a very short answer. How did you go to your primary school? I still remember when I was at primary school, my father used to drop me to school. Every morning he used to drop me on his car, and in order to come back home, sometimes I used to come back on my own. Otherwise my father used to pick me from school, something like that. Like at least 4-5 sentences, right? If I say मैंने आज खीर पकाई है, आपने खा के बतानी है कैसे, और मैं उंगली को लगा के कहता हूँ ये लें, इतनी सी खा के बताएं कैसी, पता चलेगा टेस्ट कैसे? No. एटलीस्ट को प्लेट भर के खाएंगे तो तब पता चलेगा खीर कैसी है. सेम इज द केस विद द एग्जामिनर. कुछ बोल के बताएंगे तो आपको वो बेंच स्कोर देंगे ना, ऐसे क्या पता चलेगा. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स गो ऑन. व्हाट डिड यू डू इन योर फ्री टाइम इन योर प्राइमरी स्कूल?
Well, in my free time, I usually play.
Now it's again past, and you will use used to for that. Whenever you talk about past discontinued habit, for that you say used to. Right? So, what did you do in your free time in your primary school?
Well, I used to play cricket. I used to like the physical activities the most, and
Not like this, okay? You got to speak. So, what did you do in your free time in primary school? I still remember in my primary school we used to have a game period. During that period, I used to play cricket with my friends. Sometimes we used to play football as well, but most of the time in my free time, especially during the recess or during the game period, we used to play cricket. 4-5 sentences अच्छे अच्छे से, ठीक है? Yes, that's what you got to do. At the moment your answers are very short, try to add on. Okay, thank you.